Now third one is a testing for bypassing authentication scheme. So in this scenario, we are testing the application may contain flaws or allowing the unauthorized access by means of bypassing the authentication. So bypassing techniques include the direct page request and parameter modification, session ID prediction, and SQL injection. So in this video, we are use the parameter modification. So we can check with the unauthenticated request to match with previous request, captured request, and replay and modify an unauthentication request to gain the access of application through a bypassing login mechanism. So let's do the practical for the same. Now let's do the practical for the bypassing authentication scheme, and we will do the practical for the same. So just first you have make sure you are not logged in. So if you are logged in, just log out from that request. After reload that page, and you will find that request in HTTP history. So click on that request. Just send this request to repeater also and comparer also. Okay. This is the request without login. Just repeater. You can find that the get request and just send, and you can check the response render. So here you can see that the accounts not logged in. If you are logged in, here you can see that the logged in username. Now just we are logging again. Sorry, we are just logging. Admin. Now we are logged in as an admin. Okay, just checking the request. Send this request to repeater and comparer. Okay, and comparer, you can compare that both request. First request is without login, and second request is with the login. So you can compare that. So you can find that the key modified, deleted, or added. You can see that the request get without a login, and post request with logged in. And here you can see that the added parameter here. Okay, so just close that and check the repeater request also, sign, and here you can see the render. You are logged in as an admin. Okay, so now just we have to particular copy the referrer ID. Here we can see that the in comparer, what is the added request here is referrer and username, password, and all that. So first we check the, click on the added connection. Just copy that, copy, and just we are paste it in on the first request which was without a login. Okay, now just we are sending again that request and checking the response. Your browser's request this server could not be understand. Just a minute. This is the bad record. Just a minute. Okay, I'm adding the before the connection. Okay, so I'm just adding the paste. Okay, just cookies encoding and refer before the connection. So just pasting here and sending it. Now we are check the response. It's getting the request 200 okay in get request and checking the response. Now we are logged in the website using a admin username. So in this practical, we have just copy the request from the logged in request and just paste into that in a particular request where we user are not logged in. So simply that you can just check the token or cookies or referral value of the authentication request and just copy that request into on authentication request, and we are able to bypass the authentication scheme and gain unauthorized access to the application. So here we just you added the referrer or this type of all the parameter and just paste it into an authentication request and send that request again, and we are able to uh, access the application using a bypass mechanism. So this is all about the bypassing authentication scheme.